Here at Prestant Singular Properties, we specialize in the management and service of luxury vacation rentals on the Basque coast of France. We offer only the most select properties for our vacation rentals. Villa Casama in Biarritz, located in the beautiful neighborhood of Saint Charles, only a few minutes walk from the city center of Biarritz and steps from the golf course. Here we have an example of one of our luxury properties, which can accommodate up to 22 people thanks to its 11 bedrooms. Many of our properties have extra amenities such as a spa, an infinity pool, a sauna, a tennis court, a gym, or even a movie theater. We have a wide range of properties, and with our personalized approach, we can help you create the perfect vacation experience. For our most demanding clients, we have an optional tailor-made concierge service. We are here to make your stay enjoyable and relaxing as possible. Contact us today to reserve your next luxury vacation property on the Basque coast. Prestant Luxury Property Rentals.